Hi, my name is Angel Amankwaah and I am a senior.
Hi, my name is Atalia Lee and I am a senior here at DMLK.
Being at DMLK has taught me so much about being an advocate for myself, learning to speak up when something's not right, advocating not just for myself but for other students around me.
There's a lot of representation here, and a lot of our staff and a lot of our principals have really embodied what it means to be Black for Black students and being able to support our Black students.
I nominated Atalia and Angel for Black Excellence because they are the most excellent debaters that I've had in a long time. They are truly winners, and they're just great students, and I think that they are the best example of Black excellence that I've seen in a long time.
Angel and Atalia have been amazing students here, but beyond being amazing students, they have been amazing citizens and contributors to our school.
My aspirations after leaving the DMLK family are to attend an HBCU and complete my undergrad on a pre-med track, and then eventually go to med school to become a pediatric oncologist.
I really want to attend an HBCU, which is a historically Black college or university. I want to double major in political science and health administration.
Their involvement is way beyond what is required of them, is way beyond a lot of what their peers are doing. But even in their involvement in each of these activities, they have sought to involve others. And that is what is really special about their Black excellence.
To be Black, to me, is to be resilient, to continue to fight over all the things that we have been fighting over and still continue to strive to excellence as we do.
What it means to be Black to me personally means embodying your history, embodying your culture, being proud about who you are, being proud of where your ancestors have grown from.
Now, they're two very different people, but there's some things that they have in common that I believe really are important characteristics. Being engaged, being excited, being fearless, and being willing to ask for help. Those are the things that make you excellent.
Black history is every day to me, so it's not just limited to this month, but I celebrate Black history all the time by recognizing all the people that come before me. It's definitely an honor to be in some of the places I've been. Like I mentioned, I'm a Daniels Fund finalist. Nobody like in my family, not even my older sister, had opportunities like that.
They choose to do more, not simply to pad their resume, but for experiences for themselves.
I think there's several ways you can pay homage to Black history by, number one, acknowledging the contributions that Black people have made to this country and the development of this country.
Learning Black history, acknowledging Black history, and trying to get involved and trying to elevate Black voices and support Black students and give more opportunities to Black students.